Ebujan for Ahaye GC News, Meba Obibia Akwaba, Ahadie latest and hot news, and qua Enamide Bremo. I don't see so when you subscribe to channel area, Bomodian say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now I barely notification. We understand new video be upload no when the first person was sabeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now. When you be here now, who and somewhere Ecoso El Ghana Memoir. I feel Inti a year report here about to Inti Sansamia Ecoso Inti.
If you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and where here, certain people also hails from the north, almost a big part in the church, and also have issues with it. If you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I thought I would tenacity in out young community, you should be extremely careful.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, ni power money the sling, and I don't know. Ni power, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Pie Kennedy.
Promise that not more than 2 years it will be done. It's not done. Nothing in Takoradi has really been done and completed.
I'm a command bunch.
Shabla Sisi, Akufo-Addo is not helping the NPP. Me say, Sadia no moye DC one so enya de won akwa police and then free one. And any maba beda so it is irrelevant. Esu ni mfaso because first of all, the second term of Akufo-Addo, a lot of people are annoyed with the kind of conditions that we are seeing. If you go to Western region, a lot of people are saying, if you look at Western region, is okopemo ho no bebre ho enko yi.
Oyo bi Akufo-Addo state usina. Eye baabi e yesi e be intake ye ba be kwan. Emfutrom.
There are a lot of president who be ye no kroma. Omoko obi yade ade no ye DC one ayi outfit be DC one. Ebi wan fani din kura to so ba people omo de bondi. Your mama cross here kwan for the picture mebo. On fani start to messy ho. But if you look at Akufo-Addo there na, the timing is even wrong. Then you look at the relevancy of the matter. Eson faso ne dey. And you see Shabla Sisi as a MPP anomuso Akufo-Addo. Where if you look at Asante Bedia too, he is the only government official who so yare. And people are happy and they are hating some planning chapel. And I'm shocked. So no one can say Yanko Point and Abdom, Yanko Point the name Quatena. On trust you non locking who then. No miss was no money social media videos in your mom head of phones. Or moon projected their base 60 inch screen.
No 75.
Or moon fanning trap could young touch in some for moons. No more each then. Among phones more count the funnel. So I some too. Now, if all masses, about 90% are saying that you're happy, so on tiapa, it tells you there is a problem and you have to solve the problem. Within the inner circles of the New Patriotic Party, among for the Donald Crown, they are not even happy with the conduct of the man. I may catch a message, you say, young Casano boss will be, was so a quaco Jubilee House or catch a hey, massa, you cannot bring this kind of stupid dressing over here. Why are you not in tie? Meaning MPP ni paimu or ba paimu pau. Paimu. Open pay for MP Akufo-Addo mamui. Open nipa be 5 for mo kan bi wo mu a say bu maame no ka ho wo se da bi Asante Bedia to won tumi ni na won ka asem why wo se Asante Bedia to egus arrogance ko be fa so kra kasa ho no e problematic e do nyanya na so pese obiem na no ada wan kasa papa ke dia compare kwa Japan after some of his videos was hey Asante Bedia to ko bi Asante Bedia to ko bi Asante Bedia to na we say Asante Bedia to timi ya make sure say Ghana ni e wo ya gutumi gina adwuma de man yere. None what that won't you back before so this kind of stuff. Go and listen to businessman who True Vine. They had the opportunity of engaging the vice president, the flag bearer of the NPP. And one of the black man cast or winning a NPP opposition. In making sure of getting resources and liquidity to even push the agenda and campaign was problematic. Or more businessmen, one of the NPP folks come on with me on person way. Or more than a baby or move to women and father.
Franco, what my dear? And for me, no,
now, hey, you can say every year, diabetes. You can say every year, you can say agenda, you have been here. You can say every year,
I free say, a team posted the body position. When him say, a top MPP man be want to become president. He want to become president, though. And or to us, I say, Kennedy, Ken, the Omodia Yo, who sign your campaign at the MPP. Or so on a dear. Now, me born dear.
It will surprise everybody.
Franco,
it will surprise everybody.
When almost say, Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia, or man who you best your mama. Also, your mama, ye can't assume for a commodity and this assume not be there. How reduce more aban babe more Martina Midumuna. Now, Mama come. Mama from nowhere, a vice presidential candidate, vice president, and the NDC Mahamadia. Also, man, we Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the party of Amendia.
What do you say? As my walking, time I remember John Dramani Mahama to be the running mate for John Evans at Amos, there was a serious compounded friction in the NDC. Serious one. The Rawlinses opted for Betty Moody Drusu. Rawlinses, no more party near Modiano. They opted for Betty Moody Drusu. But many bomb was no matter what did the man John Dramani Mama. JJ became peeved, annoyed. Says your campaign crown quasi. The Ahoy brothers and the big men in the NDC have to go to him and apologize. Beg him and tell him, say, it's what to make campaign. If you look at the inner circles of the NDC, open senior members, Aban Bagbemo, Martin Amidumo, these are big men, whereby they were cadres almost 30 in 1992. These are original figures of the NDC hailing from the northern part. Say, the shortest way to become the president is to become the vice president. That's the shortest way. Because when you be the vice president, then you try to leave a legacy says, wait, they want to also push forward. So president do say they are errand boy. But we try to say, oh, the vice president, you control a certain kind of system and pattern. And as idea says, baby penas or Kodia, not Franco and vice, I didn't think that Franco may take over. And then what date you too? If NPP wins, now so we're fan about me, it's me 8 years. Papa, the Pope would prefer to go for 8 years. One is the shortest way. Because also when you say, and you say, hey, Sana, everything goes in their favor. With only exception of where you Papa say, NPP niya, you free Kamalawi.
Alidu. I cut them. But Kofo didn't want him to become
yes. What I say? Kofo never suppressed the will of the people. Kofo never said that they know a bar into Chin vice president. It was a close contest between Alan Kwajochi and Mantain and a reference another than Kwakufado. So if you look at on the with media film, there be a catch or say, Obi be a really the dia, all could be an person suppressing the will of the people. A person the Austin City Park on, then there's something wrong. Either the blessing will be any. Say now, young father say, why? Now a paya so to quine, shall we hear to the mammy. Near Quack or trouble up a paya is suppressed, will be intimidate to be a say, will be on trouble my shaibwa, then there's a problem. Allow the people willingly to decide who they want. So I'm not talking about you know because people win here, it can't everything. In 2007, 2000, it will be a movie. Whereby a man for be crowd dream be say J. Kufo wanted to suppress the will of the people. He never even voted in Lagos. But no crown party, a man for the bonus to say he opted for Alan. The masses decided that they are not done Kufa in here. Eventually, all of them come to a man. Now, if you look at the Wuka, they come in and say, if you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, and where here, section people also heard from the north. Almost a big part in the church and also have issues with him. Yeah. Oh, yes, that's the reality. Because we have a deep part in the church since 1992. There be a catch of communication is a powerful tool. It depends on how the party here I can bet and said you mon come at my shop no markers. Oh, Yanko Pony see in this animal. Try to forgo so many things. And also your individual differences. Shall we William Bonnier, I can easily forgive you. Shall we William Bonnier make Marcus and fan cheddar? Obu obi na catch say I know no on person be get makwa kwakudu ho anam say was anko for no e bia say shabu me mom na say me talk we dey nti na shabu at me talk we so I'm not going to even make sure say bia me shabu with my fine. Now if you look at the NPP problem say shabu anu was you anu was brutal. I'm telling you, so they are they wo kan ye they wo kan ye I'm telling you one thing. Well, if you look at Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, e to da wutena sidin na wutie nkomo ni bia, he should be extremely careful.
Franco, Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, nipa o mo na sirin ya no ya do no. Nipa o do Dr. Mahmoud Bamia pa Kennedy Japan. Because Ken, wa jai pia ma na ka no campaign. Me no ka say honorable Kennedy Kwame Akompre kwa Japan. E wo Asanku West Asanku. Yes. Okwa akoye adwuma e de ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bamia about the campaign.
Where if you look at Asante Bedia too, he is the only government official who so yare. And people are happy and their head is up a panning chapel. And I'm shocked. So no one can say Yanko Point and Abdomen Yanko Point the name Quachena. On trust you non locking who then. No miss was no money social media videos in your mom head of phones. Or moon projected their base 60 inch screen. No 75. Or moon fanning trap could young Texan in some forms of hair. No more each then. Among phones more count the funnel. So I sent two. Now, if all masses, about 90% are saying that you're happy, so on tiapa, it tells you there is a problem and you have to solve the problem. Within the inner circles of the New Patriotic Party, among for the Donald Crown, they are not even happy with the conduct of the man. me na me catch your message ka me say me ankasa me boss bi wo so akwa akopie mo Jubilee House or catch hey massa you cannot bring this kind of stupid dressing over here. Why are you not in tie? Meaning MPP ni paimu oba paimu pao paimu open painfo wo MP ba kufa do mamui open nipa be 5 omo ka bi wo mu a Shaibu maame no ka ho wo se da bi asante bedi atuo do ntumi ni nyina wo nka asem why wo se asante bedi atuo egus arrogance ko be fa so kra kasa ho no e problematic and onyanya na you so pese obiem na no ada wan kasa papa ke dia compare kwa Japan after some of his videos was hey asante bedi atuo ko bi asante bedi atuo ko bi asante bedi atuo na we say asante bedi atuo ntimi ya make sure say Ghana ni e wo ya gina adwuma de man yere
Franco said who kwa tona semen say you can yami put one prepare as this plan so all free presidency will be a last me will 5 days or some maybe the last 1 minute be a 2 minutes 1 hour try to 1 week me prepare me year the name of 2 years what him offer some prepare
say Bible so na we say japade nyina na so hwe kran kwa e dey mfa so ni wonya shabu ye bregu the ye nyina
ye kama boss
ye nyina ye bregu we labor in vain and we die for nothing. When you see big man who was labored, obi network number $5 billion, $10 billion. So any pan who shana want TSB. We labor in vain. We labor, we die for nothing. Why can't you help your brother?
Yes, papa yamu. Cheniseya.
Efe wo ha wonya wo mobile money bi. Obi wo ha. Se sika chankasa no. Ene ade ye de che no. Is the act of willing. Enyame na de che shabu. Obi wo ha wonim ye nti a. So otimi chawade ana oni obi wo ho age so do ye adwuma wi odo ye adwuma wi so tua wa ma obibi
ene kwa na di
obi so ho ni nti so chawade obi wo ho sika pa say tam sika ni good me sika ni msi na ni age obi de no no he doesn't know the reason why and now I was listening to a guy this story that day I said to myself say nyango poma de we be into here na ba yare na oxygen so oxygen no ohia 1000 Ghana wonya 600 Ghana cedis ohia 400 shabuti wo we have 400 Ghana cedis. Edi amo mama matima pepe nrubia manebano. O friend nam fufo na busha fo nyobi anya diabano. Ena akra ni wuye. Akra ni wuye no. O wa no bia sending 200 o jina fa ye. O wi bia no wa sending 100. The guys who his kind of pan phone to say, "Wa no jai smooth." I needed 400 to save a life. Man fa mame. Now you are giving me thousands and millions to do a funeral. That's some fast one.
Akufa dunia.
Ara akufa right there.
On oh yeah 9 billion Ghana cedis. Another dollars. There are revival banks. There be. On the 27.
I'm going to 4 billion.
4 billion.
4 billion.
There are revival banks. I make people Ghana for in work. Was it there be? Because 25 or 27 there are close banks.
In the Japan document on my catchers or my creative war fund. And yes, I 25 in the calls our banker in. And you see, and Akufo-Addo already president.
Franco that Akufo-Addo won by to win the election.
I didn't hear.
Who them say Akufo-Addo call North East. Ne all transit be aku making no.
So say
about them say ban pussy for ne kusat for ne issues be. And a ma be say I that menka say that or hene na ono aye ko menka say an illegality chief no. Or call back a trigger man ne. Or ma bande MPP that is MPP in Baumia. In the said constituency, a Kosa constituency. Now, so I was for Akufo-Addo. Or Kwako sign a statue. Or Bonabasso. Was a moment, but the way I was a
Okunedu. I'm from Takoradi. That's where I reside. I saw this statue that was yesterday and I was amazed. Because I'm thinking about the various projects that the government has promised us to do. I was coming from the market circle and moved to the new market. He promised us not more than 2 years it will be done. It's not done. Nothing in Takoradi has really been done and completed. But I don't know why you could get time to fix a statue of yourself. I think with statues, they are supposed to be honored. And so someone would come and say, you've done a lot, so they'll honor you with it. But I don't know why, once you are in government, you could fix a statue on a whole runabout and you think it's fine. Once there are other projects you've not done, even this place is not completed. So how can you put a statue there? It's not a finished area. And so with Takoradi, we are so shocked and amazed as to you putting a statue here once you know there are other projects that you're supposed to do that you haven't done. We are really disappointed at this.
I wish the statue would be removed. What has he done for us?
but nimpo de misusu ni say nka osanka ye runabout ni wi ansana.
I suggest the runabout should have been completed first.
The start na there esi hono before mbebia na chese ya complete runabout ni na.
Oh, nya bre o so we see ani a wogu so oye.
He's still working, so there's no problem.
I will lead the youth of Sekenita Krade to relocate that statue to Chebi.
Manfo Bri say, Akwa bi kwa say obe lead demonstration. No man relocate Akufo the statue. E dey akọ Chebi. Plus the activity of the near mama siare basa abado. First
Shamu
Franco.
Me na no cast as I have to go and read.
Okay.
Na me hu ni ntia de amwakwa statue ni dey see. First of all, if you look at statue no we see the original coordinating council in Western region. Now, me from where I sit, this statue it is unnecessary. As soon new fast, so it is irrelevant. The money irrelevant, they say. Now the Danko Akufo is not helping Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia if he wants him to become the president. Shabla Sisi. Already the air course we now. It tells you the NPP they've not learned their lessons. There be me now me can TV national kabi as in 2018, but no more the co-opposition, consistently they are repeating the kind of things that they did. And the air question is extremely dangerous for the new patriotic party if they want to break the 8. McCarthy said this is the most dangerous and critical election that we are going for. Breaking the 8 and delaying the 8. The NDC want to delay it, the NPP wants to break it. Now, Saru, who shall the air course? Send a month for near Sia bring it before Wokuman, and yes, that you say. Bible say what sometimes you look at the timing, the environment, you look at the conditions of Ghanaians. Go back into archives. JJ Wallace received UDS. They wanted to name UDS after JJ Wallace. They wanted to name UDS after JJ Wallace. That is a precedent. Was it I've been a former president and president Mempe. Now, if you go to Western Regional, a lot of people are registering their displeasure. Say, I don't know more money in young. Now, the Danko Akufo, I want to ask him, did he have a preview knowledge about this kind of thing? I know no could do or what was more cardiac, and I want something to say. Maybe Akufo that my catch to cry for me.
I don't very know the best come from the West.
Shabla Sisi, Akufo is not helping the NPP. Me say. Sadia no moye DC one so eni ade wo akwa police ade ndie fi ho no and ani maba beda so it is irrelevant. Eso ni mfaso. Because first of all, the second term of Akufo, a lot of people are annoyed with the kind of conditions that we are seeing. If you go to Western region, a lot of people are saying, if you look at Western region, is okopemo ho no be we nkoyi.
Frankly, with due respect to Menchia, me pese me bo asante e di di council. And after me born in state to be a sima KJTR. Yes. Yes, KJTR phase 1.
Yes.
And ya ye kwani na.
Yes.
And ya Asante state to Ababesi. Asante owns Asante mine.
Yes.
Ya beautiful hon. Tete KJTR ya fan kwangusi wo.
Yes.
Ye yewe ne ka bibia cha no. Oyo bia Akufo the state you sina. Aye baabi a yesi e be intake ye ba be ye kwan. Emfutrom tie. Akufo to play you see. Anya hwekwanka but mom dey play the bia bo. Oh, a hospital high it was done and commissioned by another Danko Akufo. Simple. Side baby or kwakusi bi or let's take it that way. Say wakwa bi wo. Shabla Sisi. Bible say we nyuma be di wachi. There are a lot of presidents who be yet no kroma. Oh moko. Obi ya ade no ye DC one outfit be DC one. Ebi wan funny di nkura nto so ba people o me de bonti. Yeah. Now permit me, I want to take you back. Shabu. Thank you. Who himself conquered officially. The name of Konfanochi Teaching Hospital is Aman for Freddy Dean. Officially, a Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. Yeah. But a lot of Ghanaians prefer to call it G. Yeah. Or say, the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, CAT, also known as G, after the name of its contractors, Messrs. G. Walter and Slater. Omo person mo chesa sa contractors we in a see. Omo see yesi ni tiu. Omo see yesi ni no. The official name is Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, but people prefer to call it GG ya Mikuji. Elementia because a man from said one uncle funny or my ye. Thank you to Mukampo in your class of one castle of Master Babetoso. Now, if you look at John Ajakum Kufo, only 6 emergency unit. Yeah. I say officially, Okowa,
a Konfanuachi teaching hospital emergency unit. Do you get a point? Yeah. Unit. Now, a lot of people prefer to call it Kofoji for emergency. And now Kofo Tom Sikano Kofo emergency. Yes, Kofo emergency. Why? People prefer to say Kofa Yadibi. Let your people hail you. That I'm so comedians will tell you, you leave the stage when applause is high. And you first Kufado, Adia Waye, and Waye in a year. Every amount of Komakas, a young Quanta has a hospital had the idea way, and another down Kufan here. We can even use to say it better so. Now, maybe if you look at J. Kufwa, he was able to give us 2 interchanges, started and finished by him. So for like then when you or bread don't see J. Kufon is interchange. Instead to you, Libya is you, but be a drew hope you have a candle, not because Adabi. Idea with ye, and you when you see ye, J. Kufon is here. Kumasi Tetima and Quine, J. Kufon, who beside you, Biabeka, Kumasi baby any Quine, J. Kufon. We don't need a statue over there. Well, yes, Muhammad Dubai. Thank you. Mama statue is you. But when you do, yes, Mama do a Ratty Park. Yeah. Would you say, oh, Mama, you see here? If you ask every Ghanaian to follow products or tree and mayonnaise, say, so when you win a year, we win a year. Okay, Udu Conference. Yes. Na me de obi madam bi oba yesem abi de FCR bi say a topic or something like that. Topic was it. Into oya no say mon ko Becca. Into umka ma wura ha me be friend Becca. Into omo chair me say no say Rebecca Foundation. Thank you. And she start building much on a Becca. Meaning say my friend Becca o amanaka ho. Meaning say omo nipa na obo mo musi ade no. They whether official or no official. A lot of people will prefer calling that building after you. Yeah. A lot of people. And now I'm telling you, I can never be a hypocrite and say, over free education from 2017 to 2024, over 5.7 million Ghanaians, youth, students, and at my party to free education. When you have free education, you don't need any introduction. Yeah. Why didn't you have Kufado? So, but free education, I can say, and yet, idea. And yet, a bit more soon, didn't move on to me. As an account. I didn't say health insurance. They mean to hide no more. And really, yes, yeah, cack about us. Back on for not share. Yes, I for emergency. Yeah, I do be a call. There is a policy intimate and can't just a benefit, but always it runs into your mind. To another pedio, this is your man for the cash. I was okay. And I'm highly disappointed in the Kufado. Highly disappointed. As a president of the Republic of Ghana, we are with me and a come out for the debate. We are to my year, but another song who say the first time, Nadia, not the first time now, and people prefer even naming a lot of facilities against before him. Yes. But no, after him. But see, a man who say, Nana who said, the second term, they say the Western Regional Minister, they should charge him for causing financial loss to the state. Maybe the bottom can. What's that? What the bottom? Why is the document showing so no the bottom can? No, the bottom can state you. What are you trying to tell me? They should charge him. Because I don't know, I don't see any relevant issues in this. That's one for Sunday. But frankly, me Busa say Western Regional Minister and then the coordinating council. Say any trouble and invite my MPP. Nana to the MPP so omusi PT interchange. I sign how do project. Now the quadam say we are. Him say a dry MPP for Bumusi and the KJT. Sir, start crowded market second so so abanya the major source of livelihood they man for a market will buoyancy that crowded interchange was buoyancy now we see what bomb more day a dear money more what born they should go and bring the documents they should bring us the data we will follow Mrs. Sebabia my invited trouble there be a money some don't mean Casanya was uncle and you see sometimes as a politician, they always play with our minds, our intelligence and conscience. They feel and things when you change will be here. Idea we are we. And the MPP for them point for your classic as a debbie. Idea we. Now as the MPP they lack critical thinkers. MPP for you. Now in a book at Neza, but now couldn't our country and say, idea we are you know myself you. I could have 20 at first, frankly. Kokacha boss, boss, idea yen. But now can we are. Oh, but I went acquainted that I will not you. I'll make my part and I say, as I did with you. When we look at the timing, idea we are really near Conville and the kind of problems that they be it is better you keep quiet. Now, more per cry, baby and MPP for crying. How many days did they build this state? Mr. Frankie, how many days? That state you will say MPP. And such with me borrow a semi of word. I could tell with that was the term of President Kufado.
me bolo semi jefu me to call semi jefu. Sa statue. Hey, I could thermal with that of President Kufuor term. If Baumia loses, the statue will see the light of the day.
Matt, Nanti, what's the red one? This is for us. I'm going to work to go.
Kufuor statue is I could thermal with that of President Kufuor.
Young funny say. If the masses in Abia
men can't be no
na so reason okay see am fan say masses no e was second takrade you know one can say jatum say they want to appreciate and acknowledge another dan kwaku fado e bubu bi no bubu bi ati opa ne yam fan say keje Dubai say the John Dramani mama picture na nimfo nyi ba bebo ho a obi anya na so kwa kwate atwene why because it was started and it was finished obi anim say John Dramani mama na kono efe agreed. Your mama could see a crown for the picture on funny state to miss you. But if you look at the Kufaro Diana, the timing is even wrong. Then you look at the relevancy of the matter. As soon as one at this crucial point, among for what people are going through is not about you. People voted for say you will not come and re-echo problems to them. Among for vote to say the dollar and then number 17 Ghana cities and bring it down. Among for vote to say unemployment rate in Tebra form. Among for vote to say more economic conditions and what's the form. That's why they voted for you. They want to see development. They want to see infrastructure west. And yet start to do the heading. Can I oh if you contact can you fine for question on my hospital on my if you look at the economic activity cost of a market.
Yeah.
What we oh Akufa do butugu ye obunuso kaso 3 years ni besi ampa 3 years adu ye commission ye biano go and watch and no kwa kaso kwa o system to be 200 e fa twa hu so be no be na no aka bibia but if you look at the timing in papa. Secondly, the NPP they make us so smart asem me can na NPP for no ma friend Franco de o kana ya now the NPP as a critical thinkers is becoming a problem. Go and do your checks. Open region back where swing region. Region back come dey focus on more to aba.
Etiawa.
To no more to me after the block. Omo dey get time. Menim say dem kwatia munya akwatena se meeting ka say aba ne beto akose ya. And you see, what reports a free tackle they want secondly a lot of people are peeved. I said there is bitterness in them. Says now what president Kwaba Unyanya Bibia, who we start to Babisia, we will show them something. Now I was watching TV and we take phone calls at social media. It is people are saying that they are not going to vote for the MPP based on this kind of stuff. So I want to ask him
say Nipa Ombetuaba or Western region. 1,288,930.
Yes.
Electoral Commission for say Nipa Ombetuaba nyina 18,690,408. We mu bufuka mo tuaba ne tiawa.
Me say Western region. So mu decide pass on metro tia wo mu 2 years. But my problem is in the NPP no more sa Western region one. O man kasa tena se musa de no mo ye problematic. Dangerous. Oma tena se de hu kwete kasa Jack, I deal with timing and your timing, Papa. We should not even try to even do this kind of stuff. Young man crank up baby grant and soon fast walk.
But frankly, let me check the meaning of a statue. Any statue and kasa and faswa and also the statue there. But already I didn't know the President Kufuor na. What you want to say was say statues are constructed in the different parts of the world for various reasons or purposes. For example, people constructed statues to commemorate their patron, okay, heroes and heroines, to transmit mystical histories, to represent a nation to preserve culture, heritage, to beautify city, and to legitimize authority. And to share reason, but I yet the young Kaiduma, yet the Ghana had it, yes, yet and Kaidum. Ghana had it, Nana to Padia and why you see a Kaino.
Oh, Western region.
Oh, my moon,
so Western region, some Yaka.
That be about say, we are Kwame Nkrumah.
I shall bless you. How can you compare Kufuor to Kwame Nkrumah? Don't even go there. How is that possible?
The American Nipa react on mistake to you.
And I'm making. No, I'm saying, why should he even what they Kwame Nkrumah basis? Kwame Nkrumah was the first president of the Republic of Ghana. The kind of achievements of Kwame Nkrumah, nobody can surpass him. Factually checked, nobody. whether so be tuska na so ma be tuska obi so be tuska say no obi be tuska no basa obi tumi kwaje bosa chen ya ban bia enyuma eso de won fa nye obi tumi kwaje bosa since 1957 ebesi ne 59 years obi bosa ba ko 8 years e twani nyina ba oh franco onim o hwe ewo akoaje interchange a free farm stress is omode ba o man ni anya wo stress na akufa no de yo akoaje was a military person yes obeye kukura ososidi anya obi na eku sosidi o obi o the changes by ebia the regime no ye wade bi oyeye o hia free farm a champion mo na wo kufa de what beje presidency on a silver platter say o buy a democracy. Let me help you for clarity checks fact check. But say Akwaje was a Ghanaian statesman, politician, lawyer, and where we are watching ko see papa yi Akufu Moso. Yeah. Bon, Shabu. Media nyawo bro fra wo ken kan statue there Ghana dey say statue mawa. It means your achievement. Why you know? It yent me eradicate. Yes. You just because I Shabu sisi be ye aduma e wo re ayi e be a solid TV and Storm TV in terms of longevity, maybe in terms of no more year no, he's a legend. You bet my rating be the amount. But Shabu sisi
the Rollins in the statue see infa. Me say more part me say Rollins part.
Say they are talk keke.
But I share Rollins.
That's what be lam to
obi a obeye cool first.
Me say Akufo de oba ye di nto.
E me di limam e ba ye osabe tu no. Na wono a se Matias ye yemfo man nkwa amamra mu yento aba menfiri so aye democracy enjoy from the fourth republic e Rollins you.
Yes.
Ono kwa ye nye.
Me who is statue. Me who is there Akufo class me who is statue.
Akufo no ba me $5 from why 4 series. E dey akuje na 14.20 17.20.
Ye konko
wo say ye statue mo. President Akufo da ba the bobo searcher busami.
Akufo ne ka so munyema na so mo na ye man. I want to get it clear.
Mami ka se mo nchiro. What one? Se wo ba. Na pata don to akwasi apia. Also seeking the consent first.
And it's true. Papa me say me battle. I meet me the atu no.
Number 1. Se President Akufo Addo an consent here.
It is true.
Baby a Western region.
Na me ka bi wanti.
Baby a Western region minister. E dey anekosi here.
Me ka
na saase. Tie. Western region minister so no wo na saase. Wato e woni din ma. Obetim de Akufo Addo statue kwa kosi ni fie.
Me ka wanti.
Ba ho ne ye abanya saase.
Me say JJ Rollins. Omo seeking consent ni opinion some person be UDS to no. What say there be UDS mama fan to me. Me person man. That is his personal.
And so me I get you. I say oh my yade no they did it at the blank side to all over to.
Say the question maybe sir. I'm asking questions. I'm asking questions.
Western region minister me kan chia me say odni bottom sika.
Sa region minister we so wasan ko bi dey be. Wasa papa. And one kasa what trust will take this kind of decision. One when the MPP for no coordinating the ben for no. To be a mamu trima mama me kasa
any Western region minister we na. Was say on the body ga ko galamsi.
Yeah, say we na.
Was say what the akwadi jane.
Odi jane ko. And you see Shabu Sisi. As an MPP, and almost Akufo Addo. There be as all people want to praise President Akufo Addo. Say, Mami Kansa Mchiro. Nyankopon ya adom. Near say to Abia. Akufo Addo is irrelevant in Ghana politics. MPP for Mami Kano Krencham. In your top area, Akufo Addo is irrelevant. Now, they are to MPP lose out. I don't know who Akufo Addo mistakes are irrelevant in the MPP. Obama positions and Kwama will be that. And Yaka 1 month, I have a trouble, you know, and the Akufo Addo board in the parliament going near the appointment committee. Appointment committee. Me approve that the better whatever was there 7 January. Now, Tiabonti. And why do you do this? And I would prefer to even work with Baumia or Mahamadan. Messi is irrelevant. Now, irrelevant. Now he's irrelevant in our policy. Yes, in our politics.
Yo, waiting for winning and summer about beto yepuno so because so when you subscribe to channel area bomodi say obe subscribe now face so wa like the video now fe share ba for so now when you be here now who and summer ekoso isanse hade latest and hot news enkwa era me de brown so betimi a kire wadwen afa eye and so we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.